Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best deshedding brush that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the FURminator Undercoat Deshedding Tool. The FURminator brush claims to reduce shedding by up to 90%. It comes in various sizes for short and long-haired dogs, making it easy to find the best style for your pet. This is an excellent deshedding brush for most breeds. Unlike others in this article, the FURminator has a FU rejector button to remove loose hairs from the tool for no-hassle cleaning. The tool's hair ejection feature comes at a higher price tag, and some buyers report the brush breaking. However, this brush is the top pick of most consumers compared to the competition. This is the best deshedding brush that I've used for my dog. I've used it on several dog breeds, including Labrador Retrievers and mixed breeds. It's also my dog brush of choice for my Coonhound mix, Sally. She doesn't have a thick undercoat like a lab, but she still goes through seasonal shedding. The comb can be a little sharp, especially on thinner coats, so be sure with the pressure you apply. You don't have to press too hard on the brush, just let it do all the work. The FU rejector is convenient for easily removing the collected hair. I typically wipe the brush onto the carpet to remove the hair from it. Then, when I'm done brushing Sally, I throw the clumps of hair away and vacuum the area. It's a relatively easy and clean process. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Maxpower Planet Original Pet Grooming Rake. The Maxpower Planet Pet Grooming Brush can be used on wet or dry fur and is best suited for double, long, and wiry coats. It reduces shedding by up to 95% and can be used on dogs and cats. There are 2 sides to the brush. The 9-teeth side is meant to cut through mats, and the 17-teeth side is used to desh and remove loose fur. I found this brush to work best on breeds with more hair. It didn't work great on Sally's thinner coat, Coonhound mix. However, it's excellent for Golden Retrievers, Huskies, German Shepherds, and other breeds with thick double coats. The brush feels more sturdy than the FURminator for thicker coats too. Since the teeth are not as sharp, I'm not as worried about applying too much pressure and hurting the dog's skin with the Maxpower Planet Grooming Brush. At number 3, we have the Christensen Dog Brush. While not a true deshedding brush, the Christensen Pin Brush is a great pick for removing excess hair. These Christensen pin brushes have 30% more pins than traditional ones. The stainless steel pins have polished tips to prevent scratching or discomfort on your dog's skin. Dogs with thick, dense, and medium-length coats would benefit most from this brush. Examples of breeds include Maltese, Yorkshire Terrier, Shetland Sheepdog, Bernese Mountain Dog, Poodle, Bichon Frise, and Golden Retriever. Many of these breeds have areas where their hair is longer or silkier, which is where you should use the pin brush. You should use a slicker brush for the shorter length areas of their coats. Smooth-coated dogs like French Bulldogs or Boxers do not need a pin brush. At number 2, we have the Self-Cleaning Dog Brush. The Pet Portal Slicker Pro's bristles retract with the click of a button, making cleanup a breeze. Just wipe away the hair instead of trying to claw it out. The slicker brush fits comfortably in your hand due to the ergonomic handle. Slicker brushes are excellent for double-coated breeds in areas where their hair is shorter. Examples are Shetland Sheepdogs, Bernese Mountain Dogs, Golden Retrievers, and Poodles. In areas with longer hair, you should use a pin brush. And finally, at number 1, we have the Upgrade Efficient Pet Hair Remover Gloves. These DELOMO grooming gloves work excellently between grooming sessions, but don't replace a traditional grooming or deshedding brush. The gloves have soft silicone that helps loose hair stick to them. You can pet and desh from head to tail, as they're safe to use everywhere on your dog, cat, and horse. You can use these on long and short-haired animals. However, owners of longer or curly hair breeds like golden retrievers and poodles didn't have much luck with these gloves. On the other hand, these grooming gloves work great on German Shepherds, Maltese, Labrador Retrievers, Boxers, and Huskies. These grooming gloves are more gentle and comfortable than a typical brush. When you're finished deshedding, simply peel the hair off the gloves. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.